dynamically happens in the back. The project gallery and the design wizards are available only on the Mac. Let's go ahead and take a look at another tool which is available across the suite, and this is called the formatting palette, or in French, palette de mise en forme. French is not my first language. The formatting palette allows you to select pieces of information and make changes to them. And these changes are things that you formerly had to go into dialog boxes. So now you no longer have to break your flow of concentration in order to do formatting tasks. The formatting palette it actually adapts to what is selected. So as Irving selects the picture, you'll see some picture tools come up. We can change the picture to black and white or to grayscale. We can also, by the way, people are using more pictures, more graphics than ever in Office, and so we've added a complete set of picture tools to Office. The ability to correct red eye, to correct scratches in the picture, and also to do things like apply powerful image effects. Like this, we can simply, with a couple of clicks of the button of the mouse, be able to change the entire look of the picture and make it fit better in the picture, in the document that we're creating. The formatting palette, the design gallery, these picture tools are available only on the Mac. Let's go ahead and take a look at. There's a ton of new stuff in Excel, but I don't have time to show you that today. I want to show you one final feature, and that is in PowerPoint. Now, PowerPoint is not just a tool for creating presentations that you show to a room like this. PowerPoint is used for communication broadly, and we've taken that really to heart in this version. With PowerPoint, the most important thing is to be able to put your thoughts down on screen and then be able to share it with anyone. But we know that not everybody has PowerPoint. So we made it possible for you to actually save this in a format and show it in a viewer that's used by over 50 million people worldwide, and that's the QuickTime viewer. You're actually able to save this presentation as a QuickTime movie, mail it around, and absolutely anybody can see your thoughts. Go ahead. So here's that PowerPoint presentation. You saw it in PowerPoint. Now we're just going to see it as a movie. Pretty cool. That's definitely my favorite feature in the entire product. PowerPoint Movies is available only on the Mac. Of course, you can play a QuickTime movie anywhere on any platform. So the feature is a great cross-platform feature as well. What you're seeing there is the new packaging for Office. This is a radical new design you've never seen anywhere else. Definitely not in any Windows product that Microsoft ships. Thank you very much for your time this morning. Go to our booth and take a look.
Thank you, Kevin. Kevin and his team are doing a great job up in Redmond, and we're working very closely with them on Office and on Internet Explorer and some other stuff, and it's great. So, Office 2001 coming in a few months here. Now, brings us to Mac OS X. Mac OS X is the future of the Macintosh. And it's turned out incredible. We're not done yet. We won't ship a final version till early next year, but we're very far along. The rollout schedule for Mac OS X is as follows. We announced it this last January. We shipped a preview of it to our developers in February, another preview in May. This summer we said we would have a public beta, and we're going to release in early 2001. Focusing on the summer public beta, we're going to release that today. The public beta is in English, French, and German. All of those languages are on one CD-ROM, but we have 3 separate packages because of a little manual inside. And we've held this in our hands for a long time. Starting today, we're going to let you hold it in yours. This is what it looks like. There's a disc inside, a little booklet to get you started. Mac OS X. We have to print these things up and ship them around, so we're going to charge a nominal fee of $29.99 in the US, or these prices, local over here for it. You can try it out. And you can purchase it on any one of our web stores, again, in any of the countries. You can also purchase it at the exhibit hall in our booth today. So I'd like to go through the architecture of Mac OS X. We start with Darwin. Darwin is the foundation kernel. It's got all of the multi-threading, the multi-processing, the protected memory, the modern networking, all of the super modern plumbing that we wanted to put in to Mac OS X. And it's based on the Mach 3 microkernel and free BSD Unix. So it's very, very open. Matter of fact, it's so open, we made it open source. So you can go and download the whole source code to Darwin. Tens of thousands of developers have already done so, and we have an active community helping us ensure that Darwin is the most stable, reliable, highest performance kernel out there. Now, on top of Darwin, we've layered some incredible new graphics technology. Quartz, our 2D graphics, is PDF based. Adobe defined a specification for PDF, which we have implemented our own version of, which is fantastic.